Welcome to Island Marine, MarineMax, Ocean View, New Jersey. Today, we'll be taking a look at our 2018 35-foot Boston Whaler Realm. This boat's equipped with triple 350 Mercuries, underwater lights, boat's hooked up for the flush. Boat has sunshade, outriggers. Let's go inside and take a look. As we enter the stern of the boat, we have a walk-through gate, refrigerator, there's a freezer cooler under the seat, the step, side door, the handle, aft seat, ladder under. Go forward first. Boat is equipped with a table, teak table forward with seating. Bolster style seating. Two 16-inch Raymarine screens, joystick with skyhook, vessel view overhead. Boat has active trim, fusion stereo, there's a spotlight control, your VHF. This has been our 2018 35-foot Boston Whaler